Hey, how's it going, guys? Mark here with another video. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit different today. I'm kind of feeling a little bit under the weather, but today I want to come up with a video for you guys. I want to do a portfolio update as well as my strategy leading up to, or I should say leading up to after the election, because today is election day, and I'm really excited to kind of see what happens to the market tomorrow, because we still haven't had a elected candidate. And I kind of knew that something probably like this was going to happen, where there was just a bunch of chaos going on, and it was going to get dragged out, which is interesting because of all of the mail-in ballots and whatnot, and it just takes a little bit longer to count. But yeah, guys, so today I want to do an overall portfolio update. We're up a total of $6,499.82 at 22.34% of my all-time portfolio. We're at $35,585.11. Over the past week, it's been a pretty volatile week. I mean, it's been bouncing up and down, but it is only Tuesday. It is technically Wednesday as of right now at 12:28 a.m. But yeah, it's been quite a volatile week, just bouncing back and forth. Over the past, we were selling off for a while, and we're still kind of down over the past month. I guess we're up about 0.48%, $170. Over the past 3 months, we're up about 5.88%. Over the past year, we're up a good, healthy 21.87%. Still chasing this peak here to get back up to our original peak at 68%, which I'm confident we'll get back to over the long period of time, as long as I stay true to the strategy of dollar cost averaging into companies I believe in and buying some hefty dips. I did not, unfortunately, buy into Tesla at the 380 mark. I wanted to, but I simply forgot. I don't think I made a video that day, and I wasn't paying attention to this specific portfolio. And speaking of Tesla, I would like to dive into that. But first, I want to look at the overall market, the S&P 500, because as of right now, I have my November 20th call right here. It's worth about $2.93 per share, and I'm down about $1,500. I'm pretty excited to see what happens here in the next day or so, and then we might be able to make some of our money back, hopefully. I think regardless of who wins the presidential election, I'll probably be able to make some of my money back on this specific SPY contract. But the overall market on the S&P 500 over the past week, it's been super volatile. It's pretty crazy, actually. Over the past month, super crazy. Over the past 3 months is really some wildness. But I wanted to talk about how I remember in some of my previous videos I was talking about how this megaphone pattern kind of from the bottom of I believe it was what is this? This is 2018. But yeah, from this point to this point, it's kind of like a megaphone pattern. We definitely have a way we could definitely fall down substantially, but I kind of don't think that that's going to happen, just considering that I think that a lot of the uncertainty in the market is going to kind of surpass here after the election, because whoever gets elected will be able to pass some stimulus, and I think the markets are probably going to pump. But, this isn't financial advice. I just like giving you guys my opinion. It's for entertainment purposes only. You know the drill. But I just need to I just really believe that that's probably what's going to happen. But yeah, so anyways, overall, we're pretty green today, pricing in kind of the end of a lot of uncertainty in my eyes. But let's jump into Tesla, because Tesla had a massive run-up over the past day, which is really great, because I think on Monday, we were at about 380, I want to say, 386 maybe, or 388, 379 at the low. Wow, yeah. We really popped up from that. We're up at in the past day, we're up 5.84%, $23.39. In the pre-market, I mean, look at that. That's crazy. In the pre-market already, we were up 2%. And then at the opening bell, we were at, what were we at? That's pretty crazy. We were already up like $30 in the opening by the time the opening bell happened. Then we just kind of consolidated all day, probably because of the dragging on of the election and whatnot, and kind of everybody's paying attention to that. It's a very interesting time right now. But overall, we're up about we're up in Tesla significantly, which is great. We're up about $5,749, 55.55%. That looks clean. I like all those fives. But I just wanted to talk about the overall Tesla and how in this election, I really believe that whoever wins here, it's going to be good for Tesla. I really think that no matter who wins, there's going to be pros to this company. I really think that we have a ton of room to grow. I would like to see a target of the next 5 years about $1,200. I think there's plenty of room to grow. I'm dollar cost averaging into this company, I believe $25 a week. I do want to maybe increase that size depending on what happens here in the next couple days after the election. Because if we have a big sell-off, which there's a chance that could happen, but I really don't see that happening. But if that were to happen, then I would maybe increase my position size at a lower level. But speaking of other companies that I've been dollar cost averaging into, I've been doing Amazon, Nvidia, and Square. We've just been doing the $25 a week, and then in Square I've been doing $33 a week, just because I like the number 33. But just some bigger tech companies, and it's really, I think with my Boeing stock here, if Trump wins, I'll probably sell it because it'll probably have a nice run up. I'll sell it at the run up, but if Biden wins, I'll probably sell it too. I mean, it's only 3 shares. I'm up about $43 into it. I don't really care. I don't really believe in that company that much. I mean, I think it's a great company, but I definitely would rather put it into a bigger tech stock that I know much more about. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to talk about my overall strategy for what's going to be happening here in the next couple months and couple weeks after the election. And I just wanted to give you guys my 2 cents. But thank you for watching. Please give me a big like. I appreciate it. And maybe even subscribe. But see you later. Bye.